This is a NEET 2020 question. The question is the calculated spin-only magnetic moment of chromium 2 plus ion is. We are having 4 choices, right? So here the spin-only magnetic moment should be calculated from the number of unpaired electron present in the ion. The atomic number of chromium is 24. So the electronic configuration of chromium is configuration of argon. The atomic number of argon is 18, and 3d5 4s1. Now the electronic configuration of chromium 2 plus is 3d4 4s0. So 2 electrons are removed because it has the oxidation state 2 plus. So 2 electrons are removed from the outer orbitals, that is d and s orbital, 3d and 4s orbital. So the electronic configuration of chromium 2 plus is 3d4 4s0. So you should know this, right? Now the number of unpaired electrons present in the chromium 2 plus is 4, because you are having the 4 unpaired electrons are present in the d orbital. So the number of unpaired electrons is 4. Now the spin-only magnetic moment mu is related to the number of unpaired electrons n by the formula mu, which is equal to square root of m into n plus 2. M into n plus 2, where mu is the spin-only magnetic moment and n is the number of unpaired electrons. So if you are solving this, now you are having the answers square root of 24 bm, which is nothing but 4.90 bm. So bm means Bohr's magneton. That is a unit. So the answer is 4.90 bm. So in this problem you should know how to calculate the spin-only magnetic moment from the number of unpaired electron present in the given ion. So this is the required formula, mu which is equal to n into n plus 2.